Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize affiliate marketing with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize affiliate marketing with Amazon, begin by choosing a niche that you are passionate about. Research potential markets and identify products that have high demand and low competition. Create a blog or website focused on your chosen niche to establish an online presence. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program to gain access to affiliate links for Amazon products. Familiarize yourself with the program's rules and regulations to ensure compliance. Select products that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Write detailed product reviews that highlight the features and benefits of each item. Incorporate affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring they provide value to your readers. Use SEO techniques to optimize your website for search engines, increasing visibility and attracting traffic. Utilize social media platforms to promote your content and reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and encouraging discussion around your posts. Consider creating video content that showcases the products, providing a more dynamic presentation. Leverage email marketing to keep your audience informed about new products and offers. Monitor your website analytics to track performance and make data-driven adjustments. Regularly update your content to keep it relevant and current, which can improve ranking on search engines. Experiment with different strategies, such as seasonal promotions and limited-time offers, to boost. Build relationships with other bloggers and affiliates in your niche for potential collaborations. Stay informed about the latest trends and updates in affiliate marketing to keep your strategy effective. As you gain experience, focus on scaling your efforts by creating additional content and exploring new revenue streams. In summary, successful optimization of affiliate marketing with Amazon requires dedication, ongoing learning, and strategic implementation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.